Today, many manufacturing leaders are rethinking how they use data, not just to monitor performance, but to drive real-time, cross-functional decisions. Yet most still face three familiar hurdles: fragmented data, manual quality control, and AI projects stuck as isolated pilots. One of the world's largest fiber optic cable manufacturers faced exactly this. Despite operating both modern OTDR testing systems and decades-old PLCs, they were still moving data via pen drives, logging quality results manually, and reacting to failures only after production loss. Data was locked in silos, legacy equipment couldn't talk to modern systems, and manual processes slowed decisions, risked quality, and stalled their planned 40% capacity expansion. That's where Turinton stepped in, deploying a unified AI platform that connected 15+ data sources, unlocked 500+ attributes, and automated critical processes across the value chain. In just 6 months, efficiency gains delivered 1.5 crore rupees in avoided failures and 80 lakh rupees in scrap savings, driving a 5x return on investment in less than 18 months. This wasn't another AI pilot. It was a scalable transformation that turned siloed operations into a real-time, data-driven ecosystem, ready to support a 2x capacity expansion, autonomous quality control, and Industry 4.0 leadership. Turinton turns manufacturing challenges into competitive advantage. Ready to transform your operations? Let's talk.